Delinda!
Hey, Bill! Good to see you!
What's going on?
So, can you
Great to
see
see you, yes.
these rocks spell sex? But I'm sorry, disappointed. The show is not about sex today,
darn, Delinda.
but it is a sexy topic. We are actually standing on top of Vegas's only underground house.
An underground house.
An underground house, truly. And it's huge, 15,000 square feet right below us. And with us, we've got Mark Volker. He is the property manager here at the house. And tell me, what exactly are we standing on top of?
You were actually standing over the billiard parlor. There are bedrooms, there's a guest house, there's a swimming pool with a grotto and a dance floor and all kinds of really cool stuff.
Let's go check it out.
All right, let's go check it out. I
go.
can't wait. So, Mark, this is how we're going to get into the house?
We can get in this way. There are several ways to get in, but this is kind of a cool way, so follow me.
Love it.
Watch your head.
Yes, this is not for tall people.
No.
This is so cool. Right now we're in a tunnel and
Go on
getting
in.
on an elevator. Oh, I love it. Welcome to Texas Hideaway, it says.
All right.
And behind it, look, it looks like you're in a train underground on this mural. Wow, how cool is this? It looks like you're outside, it feels like you're outside, and you turn around and here's a full-blown house.
All underground. And these murals that you see on the walls are scenes from the original builder's life.
And these are real.
They are, yeah. Let's go inside the house itself.
I think Mrs. Henderson liked pink.
She did like pink. This is
Wow.
her kitchen, very original. We haven't changed it at all. We've kept it in the 1970s.
They lived underground.
This was their primary residence. This was not just a party house or a demonstration. This is where they lived. So this whole property is, if you took a 15,000 square foot parcel with house and guest house and yard and sunk it underground and covered it over. That's the layout of this property, the underground part of it. So we're now in the underground house proper, which is over 5,000 square feet. You've been in the kitchen and you've been in the dining room. So let's go down to the bedroom section of the house.
Okay.
So in the 70s, they didn't have flat screen TVs and internet, but they had a projection TV.
Right.
And then they had a VCR and they had their videotapes.
Movie
stored.
collection.
Movie collection. Don't forget, they had built this place to be down here for a year. So I assume they had 365 movies.
A movie a day.
A movie a day while they're
Right.
waiting for the nuclear
The
apocalypse
nuclear
to
fallout.
die down. That's
Yes.
right. Yeah.
Yes.
This is Mr. Henderson's bedroom. They had separate bedrooms, and
Just like in the old days.
that's right.
Where they slept in separate beds.
He was old school, and they had
Yeah.
separate beds. And we've decorated this in the masculine style because it was his bedroom.
Even though we're underground, you have vaulted ceilings.
They really wanted to make it look like you're in a ranch house outside, and I think they
Right.
succeeded.
It definitely has that feel.
Right.
All right, Mark, where are we headed now?
Mrs. Henderson's bedroom.
There's the pink again.
She loved pink. Now in this room, the things that are original are the carpet, the curtains, and the wall covering, which is not paper. It is either silk or satin jacquard loom,
And the carpet is in really good shape for being,
over 40 years old.
wow,
That's right.
yes.
That's what being underground does. There's not a lot of wear and tear. Here's Mrs. H's bathroom. When this was built in '78, the decorations for this bathroom were about $30,000.
Wow.
Which
Just
in
for the decor
70s,
back then, imagine how much
now,
that was
in the
today.
70s, you could buy a complete middle-class house for about $30,000 in the 70s.
So just the bathroom, you could buy a house for.
That's right.
We're back outside now, and it looks like we have yet another house.
Another house, there's a guest house. The woman who did all the murals, it took her 3 years to paint the murals. And while she was painting the murals, she lived in the little guest house here. And of course, if you have a swimming pool, you need to have barbecue.
Oh, no way.
The barbecue smoke goes sucked down there and gets evacuated, so you don't have to worry about fumes down here. Okay.
Mark, this has been so incredible. Thank you for this fabulous tour.
It's really fun.
So now we just need to find Bill so we can get out of here.
Yeah, people can get lost down here.
Yeah, tremendous amount. Oh, there you are, Bill. Hey!
I found you. This place is ginormous.
You're hanging out in the party area.
I know.
I see there's a dance floor. Oh my gosh, a piano. I took lessons for 10 years. Maybe I can just like tickle the ivories for a second. Let's see. This house was built in the 70s, so how about something 70s?
Perfect.